everybody, Danny here. I tell you what, I thank Ann for taking up the spot yesterday with her marvelous video. Be sure and give her a lot of love and a lot of likes for that. Let's go put a shadow under the bear, and then tomorrow we get going on the bear himself. I'll meet you at the easel. All right, here we go. I know you guys enjoyed Ann's post yesterday. She's marvelous, and I thank her for being there. And today, let's put some shadow of the bear onto the snow, okay? Now, I've got my rotating easel all set up in case we need it, and all we're doing is just activating the watercolor pencil. We're just activating it like that. Being kind of careful around the edges here, you know, so that we stay where we need to stay. Okay, there we go. That's coming in. Look at there. Now this actually gives the bear presence on the snow because the shadow grounds it there. Okay, there we are. See? Just like that. And we're making this kind of bumpy and lumpy because the snow isn't even. Okay, very seldom is the snow even, and this is not one of those times. So, we've got the bear on the snow, and tomorrow we'll do some more work on the snow, and we're getting ready to call this little adventure finished. So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, and the bell so that you get all notifications. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. Tomorrow, we start on the bear. See you tomorrow. And there we go. That was pretty doggone easy. Tomorrow, we begin the bear, okay? Be with me tomorrow. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.